Good morning and welcome back to Botswana. This is the second video of the G Adventures series and we are going today to the Okavango Delta. We're actually leaving the Lando behind and about to get into one of these for the next couple of days. We did get to take a flight over the Okavango Delta yesterday, and now today we're taking these jeeps to go into it and then sailing along the river. Getting a little polar boat apparently to our campsite, which will be in the middle of the delta. Yeah, I'll go smaller.
In the middle?
Just put it anywhere.
We have just arrived to the delta and we're about to get one of these boats and head out into it. I think it's going to be something like a 2-hour boat journey, just being pushed along by poles, but going that way because we're making no noise, we might get a good chance to see some things along the way. So it's going to be very cool. It's very hot, by the way. I think it's like 37. So we're also going to have to put a lot of lotion on and hopefully not get too burnt.
Teething. Yeah.
Hello. I need your attention. Are we all good?
Yeah. All good.
How was the African massage on the way to get here?
Good, thank you. We are off. We're just about to go on our Makoro, which is the boat. We got this guy here. Ronnie. Yo-yo. Ready? Yeah, and we're here. We made our mattresses into beds.
Oh yeah, makes sense.
Ready to go? Right, we're on this for the next hour and a half, heading towards where we're staying tonight. Let's go.
Rambo.
You're not coming in here.
I miss you, Ed!
Okay, here we go. Alright, we are starting now, and it is very unsteady. You can see, I'll show you how close we are to the water, and without even moving, we're rocking all over the place. So hopefully, we don't topple.
Oh, that's live.
Oh, yeah, cool. So we found an elephant. The cow's running from us. Oh, there he is. You can just see him through the trees there, fanning themselves down. Okay, very good start. Literally, we go like a few minutes out and then there's 3 elephants there. And now, well, we carry on. That was very cool. Doing it this way as well, rather than in a vehicle, is a different way of seeing them. It looks like we're coming into land now. Looks like this is our stop. Okay, and this is going to be our camp. Okay, let's do it. Got it?
Yeah.
An old hat now.
Yeah. It's really heavy.
Probably because I'm stood on it.
Yeah.
And here's the finished product. Done. Alright, we've just been shown where the toilet is for tonight. Let me show you. That is our toilet seat and a hole. At least you have a proper toilet seat. And we just got told as well that this is the edge of the camp. So later, when it gets dark, they're going to bring the toilet closer in because right on the edge you could easily have elephants or whatever come past. So just imagine that, if you're sat on the toilet and an elephant starts charging you. Could happen. It just shows that we are proper out in it now. They also told us that if you wake up in the middle of the night and you need a wee and you see eyes, just go back to bed because anything can come through here. Even right now, you can see that's elephant poo. It's kind of fresh on the floor right there. Oh, there he is. we've just come out of the camp and we're going swimming in the delta. It's pretty cold. Okay. That is good. You completely forget that it's like 35 outside or whatever it is, because this is nice freezing water. I was just told as well that because this water flows all the way from Angola, that it flows through the reeds and the reeds filter it out, so it's actually safe to drink. I'm not going to try. It is. Oh, there's cold pockets right here. Check this out, an elephant just came out over here, way in the distance, but we can see him really clearly with the naked eye. Get away from the humans. Wow. And for the last part of today, we're going out on a bushwalk for the next couple of hours. I've just strapped up my knee, and they said we've got a good chance of seeing some animals. Big five, very rare, but maybe some elephants. Wow, and straight away, there are the elephants.
Or before, our parents, they was used as a mosquito repellent.
Yeah.
More especially the dry one like this.
Okay, so this is a lion print. Oh, that's cool.
Can you tell what it was?
Buffalo.
Buffalo.
And they are different bones
So not
from different species, yeah.
It's more than one kill.
Oh, wow, it is hot. So we've come out and less than like 5 minutes away from our camp. There are a load of hippos, a massive herd of elephants, and we've just found a giraffe carcass and lion prints. So all of this is going on around us, like literally a few hundred meters away from our camp. So one of the coolest things here is that we've just come into this big clearing and there's animals all around. I can see elephants, zebras, wildebeest, antelope. Just forgotten the name, I think it's rumbuk, a type of antelope. And yeah, mostly a lot of elephants, but I'm not complaining. It's actually just so cool to see them like this. I think I found out the other day, Botswana has 250,000 elephants and a population of only 2.5 million. So 10% of the population here is elephants. Alright, we've finished the walk and we're ending it with the hippos at the sunset, and you can hear them as they're starting to get more active, like spouting the water up and doing these deep hippo noises that sound kind of like an evil laugh. Very nice way to finish today. Getting a wave. Whoa! Fuck, they can't move. What a way to finish. The sun is going down behind us, and I think that's everything I'm going to get of the hippos, but they were having these massive fights in front of us with elephants going behind, just like the quintessential view of an African safari. Very, I don't know, just exactly what I wanted to see here. I'm going to leave it here for now while we go back to camp, but if we do have any other animals pass through the camp, then I'm also going to update you. If not, then see you in the morning. Good morning. So we finished up the night with a braai barbecue, which was incredibly done by Francois, our guide. And then we had a cultural, hilarious but brilliant dance from our polers. And now, after sleeping in the bush, we're heading out this morning to try and see what we can find at sunrise. We have just finished packing up the camp after a little sunrise walk with elephants, which was a perfect way to start the day. And now we're heading back off and leaving the Okavango Delta. We have to do the journey we did yesterday in reverse, so we're getting back on the Makoros for about an hour and a half, jumping in the 4x4 Jeep back to the G Adventures Lando. It's going to be a bit of a long day, but we should end up tonight in Planetara Baobab with the massive baobab trees, which I'm looking forward to. Alright, and we are back to land. That's the end of the Delta portion, and now we're back on the trucks on the way to Planetara Baobab. Oh, hey guys. So we were just on the way now, and we just spotted a whole herd of elephants by the side of the road that were using their trunks to dig up the pipes from the main road and then drink it. I think apparently that's a really annoying thing that happens here, but kind of funny. We're driving through a national park right now, and there's also loads of other stuff to see, so we just spotted some zebras. It's very cool just to be driving along and seeing the wildlife like that.
Oh, it's a flush. Oh, it's very muddy.
So with this tree they can grow up to about just over 2,000 years old.
We just arrived to Planet Baobab, and check this out. That is where we're camping tonight, right under this baobab tree. And I just found out they can be up to 2,000 years old, and they are used for all sorts of things because they're hollow inside. So you could use them as a jail. You can use them, I think here somewhere they use them as a post office, and you can basically live in these things. Look at the size of it. So we're here for the night. The G Adventures Lando just pulled up. We are staying here, and I think there's no real plans. We're actually just like, there's a pool, there's a bar, and the plan is just to chill, have a few drinks together, and unwind after the last couple of hectic but brilliant days.